Hey kids, JP here once again from 80s and 80s Now, and we are continuing our Hess truck lineup. We already covered the 80 to 87, so now we're at the 88, and this is the Hess toy truck and racer. Yes, this is a groundbreaker, game changer, revolution. All right, you get the idea. Basically, all you need to know is that this was the first two-in-one toy line. So you got the toy truck and you got the racer, as seen above. What was cool about this is the first year where you get to see the year that it came out and the license plate. So you got to see it on the toy truck and the racer. I loved it. This, again, this was the first and of many that you'll remember with both a truck and a car. And this, I loved it. What did you guys think of the 1988 Hess toy truck and racer? Comment below. 80s and 80s Now. Vroom.